If you are interested in competing globally as a world-class university, you have come to the right place. You know that the faculty and staff at your institution are already working hard. They support students and contribute to research in their field. But is all of your hard work being noticed by prospective students, potential partners, and ranking agencies? While there's a lot of university rankings related information online, it is time consuming and often difficult to attempt to consolidate it all into a clear strategy for your university. And that's exactly why we created the Building World Class Universities Knowledge Track. We want to support you as a university leader or member of the university faculty, research office, or communications team in pursuit of competing globally as a world class university. The Building World Class Universities Knowledge Track is comprised of 3 core courses that support your university's wider goals by defining an effective strategy that your university can make its own. We have also created several courses to provide foundational knowledge and extend the core courses. Our Foundations of Bibliometrics course explores terminology related to research measurement tools, explains their importance, and examines the role citations play in the methodologies of key world ranking agencies. This course acts as a foundation upon which you can build your university's research visibility strategy, as it is directly related to the Knowledge Track's core courses and supplemental bibliometrics course. The core courses cover the following key areas and timeframes: a long-term research strategy in maximizing research, a short-term visibility strategy in increasing visibility, and crunching data, which supports immediate action. All of the courses are filled with engaging videos, real-world examples, and guided opportunities to apply your learning. Best of all, these courses can be completed in around 2 hours, making them relevant but also short. We save you time by getting right to the point so that you can put the strategies you've learned into practice immediately. So, why not get started now?